Are you ignoring the blinking lights on your car's dashboard? Don't let small issues turn into major problems. Always be aware of the health of your vehicle by paying attention to these indicator lights. Here are 6 light indicators that you must know. A quick check could save you time and money in the long run. The first one, this teacup indicator is actually an oil pressure light. This means either running low on oil or your oil pump isn't circulating enough fluid to properly lubricate the surface inside your engine. To check, pull out this yellow stick and check the oil level. The second one is the temperature light. It means that your engine is overheating. This most likely has to do with your coolant, also called an antifreeze, but it can happen for a variety of reasons. Allow the engine to cool for at least 15 minutes and do not pop the hood. Opening the hood while engine is hot could result in burns, injuries from spewing steam or smoke. While you wait for the car to cool down, you should figure out a plan for what to do next. It's a good time to call roadside assistance service to get your coolant top off or to get a tow to a nearby repair shop. The third one is the brake warning light. If you see this symbol on your dashboard or the word brake in red, then either the parking brake is engaged or there's a problem with your braking system. Check to see if your parking brake is engaged. Try setting and releasing the brake while the vehicle is in park. If the light is still on, even when the parking brake is unengaged, have your car towed to Precise Auto Service. Fourth is the battery alert light. This light signifies a problem with your vehicle's charging system. Possible culprits include a loose or damaged battery cable, a bad alternator, or another electrical fault. You may notice your clock light fading or your headlights dimming, or in some cases, your car may not start at all. The fifth one is the power steering system light. The indicator light turns on if there is an issue with the power steering system and will be disabled until fixed. In hydraulic power steering system, a leak in the system causing a low fluid level is the most common cause of this problem. In electronic power steering system (EPS), you may find an illuminated EPS light instead. There are no fluid levels to check. Instead, you should suspect a battery issue if you have recently disconnected and reconnected your car's battery or needed to jumpstart your car. 6 is the tire pressure warning light. Tire pressure monitoring system (TPMS). This emits signal an issue with your tire pressure. If the symbol is solid, then the pressure is one or more of your tires is too low or too high. If the symbol flashes for 60 to 90 seconds when you turn on your vehicle and then it stays illuminated, even if your tires are properly inflated, then something is wrong with your sensors. If you find these tips helpful, share them with your friends and follow us for more.